Imagine a vast park where animals roam free, no cages, just wild forests, rolling hills, and sparkling rivers winding through the land. Here, the air is filled with the sounds of birds calling, leaves rustling, and animals moving quietly through their home. It's a place where nature is in charge, and every creature has space to live as it was meant to. This is a wildlife sanctuary, a special protected area where wild animals can live safely, find food, and raise their young without fear. Families of deer, birds, and even rare animals can grow up together, surrounded by the plants and trees they depend on. In these sanctuaries, animals are free to follow their natural instincts, forming herds, building nests, and teaching their young how to survive. Unlike zoos, sanctuaries let animals thrive in their natural environment. There are no bars or enclosures, just open land, dense forests, and hidden places to explore. Here, elephants can wander for miles, tigers can stalk through the undergrowth, and birds can fly high above the treetops. In these safe havens, hunting and tree cutting are strictly forbidden. Laws and signs remind everyone that this land belongs to the animals and the forest. By protecting these areas, we give wildlife a chance to recover and thrive, away from harm. Sanctuaries are more important than ever as cities grow and forests shrink. With every new building or road, wild spaces disappear and animals lose their homes. Sanctuaries provide a refuge, a place where endangered species can survive and even make a comeback. They act as shields, preserving nature's delicate balance and ensuring animals have a future. These protected lands help keep forests healthy, rivers clean, and the air fresh for all living things, including people. Scientists come to sanctuaries to study animals in their true homes, learning how they live, what they need, and how we can protect them better. Their discoveries help us understand the importance of every species, from the tiniest insect to the largest mammal. Forest rangers work tirelessly to care for the land. They patrol the forests, maintain water sources, plant native trees, and make sure the sanctuary stays safe and healthy for all its wild residents. Their dedication is vital to keeping these places alive. Think of a sanctuary as a wild garden, where nature is the gardener and the sounds of the forest are the music. Every sunrise brings new life, and every sunset promises another day of safety for the animals within. These places are lifelines for biodiversity and treasures for our planet. They hold rare species, vibrant ecosystems, and the hope that nature can heal if we give it a chance. Protecting sanctuaries means securing a healthier earth for all, humans, animals, and plants alike. When we care for these wild spaces, we care for our own future too. They're not just land, they're hope for the future, a promise that wild animals will always have a place to call home. Our promise to nature starts here, with every sanctuary we protect and every tree we plant. Together we can ensure that wild animals have a safe home, now and for generations to come. Deep in the heart of southern India's Andhra Pradesh, nestled away from the bustle of city life, lies the enchanting Koundinya Wildlife Sanctuary. This protected haven is a treasure trove of biodiversity, offering a glimpse into the wild, untamed beauty of the region. Here, the ancient mountain ranges of the eastern and western Ghats converge, creating a dramatic and breathtaking landscape that is unlike any other in India. The sanctuary's rolling hills, lush valleys, and dense forests are all shaped by the gentle flow of the Koundinya River, which meanders through the land, nourishing its diverse ecosystems and sustaining life throughout the year. Koundinya was established with a special purpose: to protect the majestic Asian elephants. After being absent for nearly 2 centuries, these gentle giants made a remarkable return, reclaiming their ancestral home. Their epic journey from neighboring states, braving countless challenges, inspired the creation of the sanctuary. It stands as a testament to the resilience of wildlife and the hope for harmonious coexistence between humans and nature. The forests here are a fascinating blend of dry, deciduous trees and thorny scrub, forming a complex habitat that supports a vibrant web of life, from tiny insects to large mammals. Towering teak and bamboo, along with a variety of native plants, provide essential food and shelter for countless species, making the sanctuary a thriving refuge for wildlife. Deep shaded valleys like Kaigal and Koundinya offer cool sanctuaries and life-giving water, especially during the scorching summer months, attracting animals from miles around. The rocky outcrops and steep slopes are perfect hiding places for elusive creatures such as leopards and sloth bears, who roam these wild lands in search of food and safety. For those who venture into Koundinya, every step is an adventure through untamed wilderness, where the sights and sounds of nature create an unforgettable experience shaped by centuries of natural history. Koundinya Wildlife Sanctuary is more than just a protected area. It's a living reminder of India's wild beauty, resilience, and the enduring bond between land, water, and the creatures that call it home. The stars of Koundinya are the majestic Asian elephants, a species that has roamed these lands for centuries. These gentle giants live in close-knit families led by a wise matriarch. The matriarch's knowledge and experience guide the herd through the forest, ensuring their survival. Their trunks are powerful and delicate, used for eating, drinking, and communicating. This versatile appendage is essential for their daily activities and social interactions. Elephants spend most of their day eating plants, shaping the forest as they go. Their diet includes a variety of vegetation, which helps maintain the ecological balance. They're called the mega gardeners of the forest, creating clearings and spreading seeds. Their movements and feeding habits play a crucial role in forest regeneration. The forest's health depends on their presence. Without elephants, the ecosystem would lose its balance, affecting countless other species. After 2 centuries away, elephants returned to Koundinya, and the sanctuary was created to protect them. This marked a significant milestone in conservation efforts. Here, they roam freely, safe from human conflict. The sanctuary provides a haven where they can live without the threat of poaching or habitat destruction. Their comeback is a symbol of hope, proof that nature can recover if given a chance. The sight of elephant calves playing is a testament to the success of these efforts. Elephants are the heart of this wild kingdom. Their presence signifies a thriving, balanced ecosystem where various species coexist. Their survival means the forest thrives. The lush vegetation and diverse wildlife are direct results of the elephant's role in the ecosystem. Protecting them protects the entire ecosystem. Conservation efforts for elephants have a ripple effect, ensuring the health and vitality of the forest and its inhabitants. Koundinya isn't just about elephants. It's home to elusive predators like leopards and sloth bears. Leopards, masters of camouflage, hunt at night and blend into the forest shadows. Sloth bears, with shaggy coats and long claws, dig for termites and ants, making loud slurping sounds. Both are shy but vital for the ecosystem, keeping herbivore populations in check. Their presence signals a healthy, balanced forest. Protecting these predators is challenging. They are hard to spot and sometimes clash with humans. Forest rangers monitor and safeguard their habitats. Knowing these secretive animals roam the sanctuary adds mystery and excitement. They are the top regulators, ensuring the forest's long-term stability. Their survival keeps Koundinya wild and thriving. Beyond elephants and predators, Koundinya shelters a variety of unique mammals. The four-horned antelope, or Chousingha, is the only wild antelope with 4 horns. Spotted deer graze in herds, while solitary sambar deer prefer dense forests. These deer are crucial prey for leopards, sustaining the food chain. Wild boars root through the undergrowth, and the Slender Loris, a tiny nocturnal primate, hunts insects at night. Each animal fills a special role in the ecosystem. The sanctuary's mix of forests, grasslands, and water bodies allows many species to coexist. From the smallest loris to the largest elephant, every creature matters. Protecting Koundinya means safeguarding this vibrant community. Every mammal here is part of the sanctuary's story. Koundinya is a paradise for birds, filling the air with song. The vulnerable yellow-throated bulbul finds refuge in the rocky hills here. Indian rollers flash blue wings, and peacocks display their dazzling tails. Woodpeckers drum on trees, flycatchers dart for insects, and kingfishers dive for fish. Each bird is perfectly adapted to its habitat, forest, undergrowth, or riverbank. The sanctuary's rich bird life signals a healthy ecosystem. Birds are sensitive to change. Their diversity means the forest is thriving. Protecting forests and rivers protects these feathered wonders. Birds are essential to the web of life in Koundinya. Their presence adds color, music, and vitality to the sanctuary. Every bird, from the rarest to the most common, plays a part. Koundinya's skies are alive with life. Koundinya also welcomes migratory birds, seasonal visitors from distant lands. These birds travel thousands of kilometers, escaping harsh weather to find food and shelter here. Partridges and quails arrive in flocks, blending into the grasslands and foraging for seeds. The osprey, a powerful fish hunter, soars above rivers and dives for prey. Migratory birds connect Koundinya to global ecosystems, showing how nature knows no borders. Their arrival proves the sanctuary's rivers and forests are healthy. Protecting Koundinya safeguards a vital stop on ancient migratory routes. These feathered travelers remind us that conservation here matters worldwide. Koundinya is a crossroads for wildlife from across the planet. The foundation of Koundinya is its rich plant life, the green heart of the sanctuary. Southern tropical dry deciduous forests with teak, red sanders and bamboo change with the seasons. Plants provide food and shelter for all animals, from elephants to insects. Even thorny bushes are vital, offering protection and nectar. Forests manage water, holding soil and recharging underground sources. The Koundinya River depends on healthy forests to flow year-round. Threats like illegal logging and fires endanger this balance. Forest rangers plant native species and create fire breaks to protect the land. Safeguarding the green heart ensures a thriving home for wildlife. The plants are the silent guardians of Koundinya. Protecting sanctuaries like Koundinya is vital for wildlife and people. They're lifeboats for endangered species and islands of biodiversity in a changing world. Forests absorb carbon, release oxygen, and keep our air and water clean. These wild places are outdoor classrooms, inspiring respect and love for nature. Visiting Koundinya teaches us about balance and diversity. Protecting it is a promise to future generations, a gift of wild wonders. Every effort counts, no matter how small. Our health and the planet's future depend on these sanctuaries. Cherishing Koundinya is our privilege and duty.